Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am checking out this electric lighter, candle lighter. Has some instructions there on top. And here we are. So it's gonna have this nice long handle here. So if you have some candles, especially the ones in like the little jars and stuff, here we have a little charging cord as well. It can be a little difficult to light, especially something like this. If you have it in a jar and you're trying to light it with a match, it can be a little difficult. You might almost have to hold your candle like sideways to do it, or if you're trying to do it that way, the flame's going to burn up towards you. So these are super handy. You can just turn them on and it should tell you how much your battery life is there with the 4 bars, and then we can just fire this thing up here. So it's got this little button right here, and then it makes this that little arc right there. That's all you got to do, and light that candle on fire here. Here we go. So I can just put it right down here. And there we go. Our candle is lit. Works quite well there. That little arcing thing puts off some decent lighting power. So, all right, my friends, works pretty neat. You could use this to light other things. And it has a little bit of soot on there. It's got a metal edges here, so it should be protected from any kind of damage or anything like that. I like that it's decently long, so you don't have to get real close to the fire to light it. Whatever, you can light paper with this as well if you want to. Start a little fire like that too, so it just lights up real quick. All right, my friends, anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.